We all know getting a quote can be a daunting process, so at Abbey we've worked hard to make it easy. Our trained designers advise on different options available and how we may aim to finish the areas that surround your windows and doors. We can advise on how advances in modern materials now differ from older plastic windows and doors and help to create products that better emulate timber. Our unique Clarity software lets us design our products in 3D right in front of you. It's ideal when you're contemplating changing a design or colour and assists us in showing the finer details. With a click of a button, we can even email it to you whilst you're sat in your home. But it doesn't end there. With no buy one get one free or 50% off gimmicks, there's no pressure, no hassle. It's up to you to make any decision. And being open 7 days a week, many prospective customers find seeing the products in person a real value. After all, isn't it always better to be able to touch and see the products and know exactly who you're dealing with? And with a big purchase like replacement windows, there's nothing like the reassurance of being able to see before you buy, and most importantly, another happy customer.